All right, so today we are going to discuss the usage of has been or have been. I'll be talking about when do we use has been and when do we use have been, right? So if you're ready, let's get started. So guys, we use has been or have been to talk about a work that any work that started sometimes in the past and still continuing in the present, right? And especially when we want to say that how long something has been happening or at what time, at what point did you start the job. So whenever you want to talk about something that you started in the past, and you are still doing that work, you are still working on that, right? So to talk about that, you use has been or have been. For example, I have been working with Barclays for 10 years. That means I joined the organization 10 years ago and I'm still working. I'm still there. I'm still working over there, right? I have been working with Barclays for 10 years, okay? Or she has been waiting for you for 2 hours. She has been waiting for you for 2 hours, or she has been waiting for you since 2 p.m. Okay, so guys, here with has been or have been, we use since or for. Since or for, these are the prepositions. So when you say for 2 months, for 3 years, for 2 weeks, for 2 hours, for 15 minutes, for 3 weeks, for 10 years, and we use since, let's say since 2 a.m., since 2 p.m., since 3 o'clock, since Monday, since Tuesday, since January, since March. So whenever it is a period of time like 10 years, 5 years, 2 years, 3 weeks, 4 weeks, or 3 months, 4 months, 10 hours, 15 minutes, 20 minutes. So whenever it is a period in time, you use for 10 years, for 3 months, for 2 hours, for 15 minutes. And when it is a point in time, we use since 2 p.m., since Monday, since March, since January. Are you with me? So let's take an example that I joined an organization in September 2023, right? And it's been around one and a half years. So I can say that I have been working with this organization since September 2023, or I can also say that I have been working with this organization for 1.5 years. So the first usage of has been or have been, we use it in present perfect continuous tense, right? So for the first usage of has been or have been, we use has been or have been to talk about something that started in the past and still continuing in the present, especially when we want to talk about that how long something has been happening or at what point the job started, right? That is the first usage of has been or have been. Now has been or have been is also, they're also used in the passive sentence of present perfect tense. For example, when you say I have done my job, this is an active verb. Here it is an active verb, it's an active sentence. But when you say my job has been done, this is a passive sentence. For example, when there are many examples, for example, your job has been done, or everybody has been informed, right? So when you say that when you want to talk about, when your focus is, when your focus is not on doer, when you do not want to talk about the person who has done the job, but that person is maybe not important for you, or maybe that person is quite obvious and everybody knows about the person, right? When your focus is, you want to talk more about the job that has been done, not you don't want to talk about the person, the doer who did the job. There you use passive sentence, right? Now in present perfect tense, as I said, that we use has been or have been. For example, everyone has been informed about the policy. Now I'm not talking about that who has informed. I'm saying that everybody has been informed, or maybe that I have been invited, right? I'm not talking about who has invited me. I'm saying that I have been invited, or your computer has been repaired. Your computer has been repaired. So this is the second usage of has been or have been. We also use has been or have been with the sentences like she has been sick for 3 days, or I have been really busy recently. So guys, these were three usage of has been or have been. I hope that you liked this video. Practice it. It will help you to improve your communication. It will help you to beautify your communication. Thank you so much for your time. Bye for now.